Here's how to switch Siri over to Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI system that makes Siri smarter and more useful. First, make sure your device supports it. Not all iPhones are compatible, so check that your iPhone model is one of the supported Pro versions. Apple Intelligence only works on devices that have the necessary hardware to run the AI smoothly, so older or standard models won't be able to access it. Next, ensure your iPhone software is up to date. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install the latest version if it's available. Keeping your software updated is crucial because Apple Intelligence relies on the newest system features to function properly. Once your device is updated, go back to Settings, tap General, and then Accessibility. Here, you should see a section labeled Apple Intelligence. Tap it, and you'll see a short introduction screen explaining the AI features. Hit Continue and follow the prompts to set it up. Now, it's time to link it with Siri. Go into Siri in Search Settings. You should see an option to enable Apple Intelligence. If it doesn't appear, there may be a button that says Request Access. Tap that and wait for approval. Note that your region must be set to the United States for Apple Intelligence to activate. You can check this under Settings greater than General, greater than Language, and Region. Also, make sure Siri's language is set to English, is United States, for everything to work smoothly. Once all of that is done, Siri will now use Apple Intelligence to deliver faster, more natural answers and AI-powered features directly on your iPhone. You'll notice improved contextual understanding, smarter suggestions, and a more conversational experience. You can even ask Siri more complex questions, and it can provide multi-step guidance, summaries, or recommendations. The AI is designed to keep learning from how you interact, so over time it gets even more useful. You'll also have access to new shortcuts and integrations, letting Apple Intelligence handle tasks more efficiently, whether it's sending messages, setting reminders, or giving personalized recommendations.